Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80131505 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset Windows Store. Now how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter to reset the Windows Store. The next solution is to re-register the Windows Store. So I have a command for this, a PowerShell command. It is shared in the description section of the video. Just copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. The last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.